Okay, so my name is Frankie. I've been studying level 3, year 2, travel and tourism, and one of the units is arrange a business travel. So you plan a holiday you get told how many people, how long they're going on holiday for, and you just plan their holiday. No price budget, so you can go business class to all of them. Both our tutors are amazing. So Katie's has been our main tutor this year, and then Louisa, we have 1 day a week. They're both really supportive, really get on really well with them, and they're not like your teacher or tutor, they fit in and they're one of us. So I get the train to college. The train station is directly outside the college, so it takes like 30 seconds to walk from the train station to college, which is very helpful. We wear a uniform to make ourselves look presentable and be prepared when we actually go into the travel industry, because they're very strict when you go into the travel industry, and college help us get to that stage, and so we're prepared when we do start jobs in the industry. So at East Sussex College, Hastings, if someone's interested in travel and tourism and going into the industry, this course shows you what it's like and what you will be taking part in. It's not just focused on one thing. You cover a lot of different aspects in the course. And then cabin crew, you have obviously the facilities to know what it would be like. You get a first aid course, and that's all you need, and then you can go straight into the industry in travel.